Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you could relearn a new key on any Chevy. Now I'm doing this on a Tahoe, so I don't know how different it is for any other Chevy, but all you want to do is just hit this button right here, the little car with the eye next to it, until you get to this page where it says, press a check to relearn new key. Now, after you press the check button right over here, you're going to want to press the lock and unlock key on the remote until you hear a chiming noise. Now, I did this on both my key fobs over here. Then I got the truck and only had one key fob, so I ordered two more on eBay. I'll link them down below. And I did those steps, and you save yourself hundreds of dollars compared to going to the Chevy dealership. So it's very simple. Once again, all you want to do is hit the car button with the little eye next to it until you get to this page where it says press a check to relearn remote key. Once you get to that step, hit the check button right over here. Right there, hit the check. And then press the lock and unlock button. Hold it down until you hear the chiming noise. Now, if you have multiple keys like I did, just repeat that step and they'll both be programmed. So, it's very fast and simple. It's probably one of the easiest keys that you could reprogram. Very fast, you can do it yourself. It takes 5 minutes at most. Hundreds of dollars compared to going to the Chevy dealership. So it's worth giving it a try. Once again, I'll link down below the key set that I bought from eBay.